Hi, this is Dr. Riaz Khan, Department of Zoology, Government Degree College, Narayanpet, District, Mahabub Nagar, State, Telangana. Today's our topic is Locke operand concept and gene expression. Locke operand concept and gene expression. This is our topic. It is mainly for BSc, BJC 4th semester student purpose. It also important for in botany, I think 5th or 6th semester student purpose. This topic not only important for your annual examination purpose, it is also important for entrance point of view. Okay, it is also important entrance point of view. So before we are going to enter into the main content, now we are discussing here what is the operand concept. Operand means what? Operand means what ma? Group of genes or gene regulation system. Group of genes or gene regulation systems is called operand. Operand is only found in bacteria ma. Operand means what ma? Group of genes or gene regulation systems. That is operand. Lact means what? Lactose. So what is the main concept of the operand? The operand concept mainly explained ma gene expression during the lactose metabolism time. Means it explains the when genes are activated, when genes do not activated. It explains the genes activities ma during this time lactose metabolism time. Okay. Operand means what ma? Simply it is a gene regulation system which is found in bacteria. That is the operand. Okay. Now we are entering our topic, that is Locke operand. That is what ma? Locke operand. Okay. The Locke operand concept. The Locke operand concept ma proposed by Jacob and Monod in 1961. Here important thing for entrance point of view, maximum in entrance they ask ma the Locke operand concept proposed by who, means you have to remember their scientist name also important. So this concept proposed by the Jacob and Monod. For this proposal they received the Nobel Prize in 1965. What they studied in this E. coli bacteria means they studied the beta galactosidase enzyme synthesis in lactose metabolism. During lactose metabolism time, they studies the beta galactosidase enzyme. Means when it is when it was synthesized, when it was not synthesized, they studies this beta galactosidase enzyme synthesis in lactose metabolism of E. coli bacteria. So this Locke operand commonly called inducible operand, catabolic operand, off-on operand. It is commonly called three names: inducible operand, catabolic operand, off-on operands. So now we are going to discussing the what is the inducible operand. Now here see ma. Inducible operand means what ma? Effector molecules activated the operand, hence it is called inducible operand. What I am saying here? Effector molecules activated the operand, hence it is called inducible operand. Here one of the most heart of this topic is this point ma. In Locke operand, lactose work as a inducer effector. Lactose work as a inducer or effectors. Okay ma. In entrance point of view also important. They ask ma in Locke operand systems which molecules work as an inducer. So which molecule ma? Lactose work as an inducer. You have to remember entrance point of view also. Okay. So first one what ma? Inducible operand means what ma? Effector molecules means what ma? Lactose. Lactose molecules activate the operand, so we call inducible operand. Okay. Second what ma? Catabolic operand. Catabolic operand means what ma? Lactose break down into glucose like galactose, hence it is called catabolic operand. Why we are called it is a catabolic operand? Means lactose in Locke operand, lactose break down into glucose and galactose, hence it is called catabolic operand. Third one, why we are called is off-on operand? Listen my here. When effector is absence, transcription not occur in operon, so we call off. Listen carefully ma. When effector is absent, transcriptions not occur in operon, it is called off. Second, when effector is present, remember absence, transcription not occur. When effector is present, transcription occurs in operon, it is called on states. Finally, operon is called off on operon. Off means what ma? When effector means what ma here? Effector means what? Lactose. When effector means lactose. When lactose is absent, transcriptions not occur, so we call off state. When effector means lactose is present, transcription occurs, so we call on. So lock operon also called on, off, on operon. This is the lock operon three common names. What they are ma? Inducible operon. What they are ma? Inducible operon, catabolic operon, off on operon. Okay, this is the lock operon common names. Now ma, we are going to entering the lock operon structures. What ma? Lock operon structures. Okay, lock operon structures. It consists 4 parts. They are, first what ma? Structural gene. Second one, regulator gene. Third one, promoter sequence or region. Fourth one, operator sequence or region. These are the 4 parts present in the lock operon structures. Here one more point for you in entrance point of view. Maximum sometime they ask the sequence of the lock operon structures. You have to remember these 4 parts same sequence ma. First one is structural gene, second one is regulator gene, third one is promoter region or sequence, fourth one is operator sequence. You have to remember this sequence. It was also asking many time in entrance point of view ma. Okay, this is the lock operon structures. Okay, here ma, this all things I mentioned here ma in this diagram also. See, if you remember this diagram, that entire theory is very easy to you ma. What I was mentioning here side parts, here all there ma, like that. Structural gene, it has 3 parts. Regulator genes, it produce the repressor and that modified into tetrameric active repressor. See, promoter regions, it has a RNA polymerase enzyme. Operator region, it has a repressor binding site. If you remember this diagram, it is very easy to write ma. Remember, just everything, all matter, everything, this theory is present in this diagram only. Just to focus and remember this diagram. Okay ma. What I am saying ma here, consist 4 parts: structurals, regulators, promoters, operators. Now we are going to discussing the first part. First part, what ma? That is structural gene. Okay ma. Now we are entering the first part of the operon, that is structural gene. Okay. Now let's we start ma. What is that structural genes? What ma? It involved in transcription and translation. Listen my ear. It involved means the structural genes involved in what ma? Transcription and translation. Transcription means what ma? Transcription means what? Synthesis of mRNA from the DNA is called transcription. Translation means what? Synthesis of proteins from the mRNA is called translations. You have to remember ma, what is the transcriptions, what is the translations. Transcription means what ma? Synthesis of mRNA from the DNA is called transcriptions. What about the translation? Synthesis of proteins from the mRNA is called translation. So what is that ma? Structural genes, it involved in transcription and translations, it is called structure. They are called structural genes. Structural genes are how many types ma? 3 types. How many types? 3 types. They are LAC-Z, LAC-Y, LAC-A. What I am saying ma? Structural genes are how many types ma? 3 types, right? What they are ma? LAC-Z, LAC-Y, LAC-A. See, LAC-Z. Second part LAC-Y, third one LAC-A. See, okay, Next we are going to discussing the first one, laxate. Laxate ma. See, it contain beta galactosidase enzyme. Same, it contain beta galactosidase enzyme. What is the function of that enzyme? That enzyme hydrolyze the lactose into glucose and galactose. What is the function of the beta galactosidase enzyme? It hydrolyze or it break down the lactose into glucose and galactose. This is the laxate. Second part is what ma? Lac-Y. Second part is Lac-Y. It contain beta galactoside permease enzyme. See ma, it contain beta galactoside permease enzyme. Where it was found? It was found in bacterial membrane. What is the function of this enzyme? It help in absorption of lactose into their cytoplasm. What is the function of the permease enzyme? It helps in absorption of lactose. That is the second part, Lac-Y. Third one is what ma? Lac-A. Third one is what ma? Lac-A. It contain transestelase enzyme. It contains transestelase enzyme. It has no noun function ma. Means Lac-A do not means no noun function. It has no noun function. These are the structural genes. Structural genes what ma? It involves transcriptions and translations also discussed. Okay. The structural genes are how many types ma? 3 types. How many types ma? 3 types. How many types ma? 3 types. What they are ma? Laxate, Lac-Y, Lac-A. Here in entrance point of view ma, you have to remember 3 structural genes is important and their enzymes also important. Laxate contain which enzyme? Lac-Y contain which enzyme? Lac-A contain which enzyme? These 3 enzymes, 3 structural genes as well as their enzymes most important for entrance point of view also. They are same thing. Laxate, beta laxate produced which enzyme? Lac-Y produced which enzyme? Lac-A produced which enzyme? Like way they ask the questions, you have to remember this enzymes also ma. So right, this is about the structural genes. Here remember ma, structural genes involve what? It involves transcription, translation. Okay, this is the first part. Structural gene is completed. Next we want second part is what ma? Regulator genes. Now we are entering the what ma? Regulator genes. Okay, now this is the this is what ma? This is the what ma? Regulator genes. Remember, what is that ma? It's shown by, see ma, it's shown by I. What ma? It's shown by I. Okay. What is the regulatory genes what ma? It regulate the ma transcription, translation in structural genes. What ma? It regulate the transcription and translation in structural genes. They are called regulator genes. See in diagram also ma, it's shown by the what ma? It's shown by the what ma? Small I. So what is the main function of the regulator genes? It regulates the transcription, translation in structural gene. Okay, this is the regulator genes. See here ma, in diagram also clearly see ma, here I will show you. See ma, regulator genes produce the repressor. Later this repressor undergoes oligomerizations and form a tetrameric active repressor. So what is going on here ma? Regulator genes produce the repressor. That repressor undergoes oligomerization and form a tetrameric active repressor. Oligomerization means what? Simply ma, it convert one form to another form. Means one form means simply simple to complex. It converts simple to complex. Here ma, monomeric repressor. Here tetrameric. Means it increase the form. Simple to complex, that is the oligomerization. See now theoretical view, see my here, see. Regulator genes regulator genes produce the monomeric repressor, right? It produce the monomeric repressor. Later it undergoes oligomerization and form the tetrameric active repressor. Yeah, already told that tetrameric active repressor. If this tetrameric repressor bind to the operator sequence if this tetrameric repressor, if the tetrameric repressor bind to this operator sequence, what happen transcriptions not occur in structural gene. Remember this most important also their experiment purpose. This tetrameric active repressor bind to the, when it bind to the operator region, what happen transcriptions not occur in structural gene. Next if it not bind if it not bind to the operator sequence, listen if it not bind to the operator sequence, if it not bind to the operator sequence, what happen transcriptions occurs in lac operon. Why if it is bind, why if it bind the operator, why transcription is not occur, why it is not bind, when it is not bind, then why transcriptions occurs? Simple, listen listen, I will tell you here. See, when this active repressor bind to the operator sequence, what happen means here, this RNA polymerase cannot move the structural genes. If RNA polymerase cannot move the structural genes, what happen transcription is not occur, because it is a become barrier, means RNA polymerase cannot come to the structural genes, because of the it prevent the movement of the RNA polymerase. So when this repressor bind to the operator regions, what happen transcriptions not occur. Why not occur? Because RNA polymerase enzyme can't enter into the structural genes, because of the it prevent repressor prevent. Okay, I hope. Next, suppose if this tetrameric repressor is not bind to the operator sequence, what happen operator region, this RNA polymerase enzyme move the slowly the structural genes and what might involve in the transcriptions. When RNA polymerase, if transcription, when we need transcriptions, must RNA polymerase enter into the structural genes. So when repressor is not bind to the operator region, what happen this RNA polymerase enzyme slowly come to the structural genes and involved in the transcription process. This is about the transcriptions why occur, why not occur purpose. Okay, this is the regulator genes. Third part is what our third part is what promoter region. Third part is what our promoter region. Now we are entering the third part, that is the promoter region. Listen here it is shown by the P. See, it is shown by the P. What is the definition of promoter region? Simple RNA polymerase. See RNA polymerase binding site. RNA polymerase binding site is called promoter region. Simply you have seen here. See diagram. Schema diagram. RNA polymerase binding site is called promoter regions. Next, promoter region shown by the P. Okay, this is about the promoter regions. One more thing here, when repressor absent in schema, when repressor absent in operator region, what I am saying when this repressor absent in this operator region, what happen this polymerase enzyme move one structural gene and involve in the transcriptions. This is about the promoter region. Simply you have to remember this thing only promoter region. It's shown by the what means shown by the P. What is the promoter region? RNA polymerase enzyme binding site is called promoter region. When that enzymes move on the structural genes, simple. When operator regions do not have the repressor, that time RNA polymerase enter into the structural genes and involved in the what ma transcription. This is about the what ma promoter region. Next what ma third part is completed. Next is fourth one, that is operator region. Now we are entering the what ma operator region. This is the operator region. Okay ma, this is the what ma operator region. Same thing ma, it is shown by the O. Same, it is shown by the O. What is the definition of the operator region ma? What is the definition of the operator region? Repressor binding site ma. Repressor binding site is called operator region. Repressor binding site is called operator region. Okay. If what ma? If operator region ma? If operator region free from the repressor, what happen ma? Transcriptions occur in structural genes. We already discussed these points already. When repressor absent in the operator regions, transcription occur. It is we already discussed it in the regulator genes ma. Okay, so you have to remember here one thing ma. It's shown by the P repressor operator. What is the operator region ma? Repressor binding site is called operator region. This is about the operator region ma. These are the what ma? These are the lock operon structures and their four parts. What they are ma? Structural genes, regulator genes, promoter sequence, operator sequence. So you have to remember these things ma. Very easy topic. First you have to remember main this diagram, everything present in this diagram only ma. Okay, now finally our topic is ma over and completed. Thank you and bye bye. Okay, thank you ma.